Good morning, students. Today our topic is laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Here the chapter is exponents and powers. In that some laws are there when we are going to find out the exponents and powers. Here some laws are there. Laws are rules. Okay. Fundamental rules are there for exponents. Those are all called as laws. Okay. Today we are going to learn about those are all. What are the laws we have for exponents? Exponents ki manaki em laws unnayi aventi. So we are going to discuss about that laws. Okay. In that first one is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay. So first of all, before going to the topic, all of you open my textbook from page number 87. 87 4.2 laws of exponents here topic is so here a is a non-zero integer. Here a అనేది zero కానప్పుడు a is a non-zero integer, then a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m plus n. What is the meaning of this one is when base, this is called a is called base here and m is a exponent. Yes, a is called base, m is exponent. Here also a is called base, n is exponent here. Yes, so when bases are same, bases are equal, then we add the exponents directly. ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫార్ములాలో మనం ఏం చెప్తాము, బేసెస్ ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తాము. దట్ ఈస్ ద రూల్ ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ రూల్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ రూల్? ఏ పవర్ m ఇంటూ n, సారీ ఏ పవర్ m ఇంటూ ఏ పవర్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ పవర్ m ప్లస్ n. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సి ఫర్ దట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. సపోజ్ see here 3 power, example I am going to take here 3 power 2 into 3 power 3 here it is called a here 3 is non-zero integer. So what is the it is in the form of a power m into a power n. Yes, a power m into a power n. Yes, so then what is the rule? When bases are same here, what is the here 3 and here also 3. When bases are same, what is the rule we are going to apply? That is a power m plus n. We can add the exponents directly. What are the exponents here? 2 3. ఈ రెండిట్లో డైరెక్ట్ గా యాడ్ చేస్తాం. So what is the next? So a power m plus n, this is the rule. Apply this rule. So what is the base here? 3. Write directly the base and add the exponents. 2 plus 3, that is equal to 3 power 5. This is the value for this one. Understood? When bases are same, we add the exponents. Understood? This is the example for first one. What is that one? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay. Next, coming to the next one, a power m divided by a power n. Here also bases are same, but exponents are different. But here we are applying the division rule, division operation. Here into multiplication operation, here division operation. When bases are same, here division rule, we are going to use the division rule here, division operation. Then a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. A power m minus n. Observe the difference between these two. Here into, when it is when the operation is into, then we add the exponents. When the operation is division, we subtract the exponents. Understood? This is the difference between a multiplication operation and division operation. Understood? Bases are same, exponents are different. In between these two, we are applying the multiplication operation, then we add the exponents directly. Okay. Here bases are same, exponents are different, but here we are using division operation. Then here what is the value will become? A power m minus n. Here we are using the minus operation. Okay. Division ఉన్నప్పుడు మైనస్ అవుతుంది, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ప్లస్ ఆపరేషన్ యూజ్ చేస్తాము. సో రిమైనింగ్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. Okay. Now observe the example here. Again same ma. Here 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 2 ma. Okay, when bases are same here, bases are same here, here division operation is there. What is the rule? A power m minus n. So a power, a means what? My a is the base, that is the 3. M means 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3 power 3. Understood all of you? This is the second rule ma. What is the rule? Second rule. What is that rule ma? A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n, and it can be written as again 1 by a power n minus m. When it is represented by division, so the exponents will be changed their places. Okay, ikkada exponent ఏమవుతుంది, change అవుతుంది. Okay, first of all we are going to write n here, after that subtract m from n. Okay, that is the second rule, second law of exponent. Next, coming to the third one, a power m is equal to a power n. A power m is equal to a power n. A power m is equal to a power n అయినప్పుడు m is equal to n అవుతుంది. అంటే when bases are same and exponents also same, then bases are same, bases రెండు ఈక్వల్ అయినప్పుడు exponents కూడా ఈక్వల్. when it is using equal operation in between these two bases, we are using a equal operation is, so then when bases are same, exponents also same. See here, a power m is equal to a power n, then m is equal to m. That is the third one. Okay, so now coming to the fourth one ma. A power m of n, a power m of n or a power m whole power n. A power m, see here, a power m whole power n ma, means a power m ki whole power n. Then what is the result ma? A power m into n. Multiply the both the exponents. Okay, multiply the both exponents. See example for that one. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. This is the rule. Yes. So take example ma. 2 power 5 whole power 2. Okay, now what is the value here? A means 2. Multiply the both exponents. What is the exponents? 5 into 2, that is equal to 2 power 10 is the value. 5 2s are 10. So understood, this is the example for a power m whole power n is equal to a power m n. Understood, this is the fourth one ma. Next, coming to the fifth one, a power m into a power n is equal to, sorry, a power m into here, not a ma, b, sorry, b this one. A power m into b power n, a power m into b power n, that is equal to ab power mn. Here observe once ma. In first rule, a power m into a power n, here both bases are same here. See, both bases are same here. But here observe this, in this rule, a power m into b power n, here bases are also not same here. See here, both bases are also different here, and exponents also different. When the exponents and bases both are different, then the formula will become ab power mn, ab power mn. Understood all of you? This one, when bases are same, what we have to do? When bases are same, we add the exponents directly ma. When bases are same, we add the exponents directly. But here, when bases are not same, we multiply the exponents and multiply the bases both. See here, I am going to take example for this also. See, a power m into b power n is equal to ab power mn. Yes, ab power mn. Yes. So take example for that one, 2 power 2 into 3 power 4 ma. So here bases are not equal, bases are different and the exponents also different. Then what is the rule applied? A means 2 into b means 3 whole power, m means 2 into n means 4. Okay, 4. So multiply these all. 2 3s are 6 power, 2 4s are 8. So what is the value? 6 power 8. Understood? This is the rule. What is the rule for? This is the law. What is the law? A power m into b power n is equal to ab power mn. This is the one type of law. Understood? up to here 5th one, and coming to the next 6th one. A power 0 is equal to 1. A power 0 is equal to 1 means ఏదైనా నెంబర్ తీసుకుని దాని పవర్ 0 అంటే దాని వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది 1 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ అ సింపుల్ వన్. నో నీడ్ టు explain that one. Next 7th one. A power m divided by b power n. Here also b power m. Here see, observe here, a power m divided by b power m means here bases are not equal but exponents are equal. Here bases are not equal, bases are different and exponents are equal. So then what is the rule ma? What is the law for this one? A power m divided by b power m is equal to a power b, a by b whole power m, whole power m. Both రెండింటికి exponents same కాబట్టి total whole power m అని రాసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, so for this also example, see a power m by b power n is equal to a by b power m. Yes, take example again. 2 power 2 divided by 3 power 2. 2 power 2 divided by 3 power 2. Here bases are different. 2, 3 here different and exponents are same. Here 2, here 2. That is written as 2 by 3. Directly write that 2 by 3 and whole power 2. Okay, that is the example for 7th one. So these are the main important laws for exponents ma. These are all very important. You have to must and should learn these are laws. When మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ లాస్ అనే పర్ఫెక్ట్గా నేర్చుకుంటారో అప్పుడు మాత్రం మీరు సమ్స్ చేయగలుగుతారు. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ లెర్న్ దీస్ లాస్ మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ మా. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ లెర్న్ మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్. ఓకే, దీస్ లాస్, all of these laws very important for exponents. What is the first one? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. That is equal to 1 by a power n minus n. M. Okay, next a power m is equal to a power n. Then m is equal to n. Okay, when bases are same, exponents are equal. Okay, next a power m whole power n is equal to a power m n. Okay, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m n. Next a power m into b power n. Here all are different, exponents are different and bases are different. Then a b whole power m into n. That is the rule. Next a power 0 is equal to 1 and last one a power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. Okay, these are the laws now. First of all must and should learn these laws. How many are there? Here 7 laws are there. Completely you must and should learn these are all ma. Based on these laws only coming exercises are there in our textbook. See, based on these laws some examples also there in your textbook ma. Once check from page number 87 onwards. Examples are there and solutions also there. Once observe those are all examples and practice these are all examples. Example 1, example 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 examples are there totally in your textbook now from page number 87 onwards up to page number 93. Okay, first of all practice these are all examples. These examples are based on these laws only. Okay, after that in next class I'm going to explain the 4.1 exercise. Okay, before that what is your work now? First of all learn these laws must and should. ఇవి ఖచ్చితంగా మీకు రావాలి. ఇవి వస్తేనే ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ చేయగలుగుతారు కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ లెర్న్ దీస్ లాస్ ఆల్ టోటల్లీ. ఓకే, అండ్ కంప్లీట్ ద ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సమ్స్ ఆల్సో అప్ టు 10. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.